Hello, SOL and SOR PE scholars. It's me, Magister Beck. Magister Cole and myself for this week, week 33. Well, let me first off just say I am filming this Sunday morning, and it's Mother's Day. So for this week, at least for one of your workouts or exercise days or days of activity for physical education, do something for your mother. Whether you do dishes, mop the floors, vacuum the house, something that your mom usually does around the house during the week, you do that just to take a little bit of the workload off your mother and show her how much you appreciate and love her and care about her. Um, that's about it, guys. Keep sticking to the activity logs, filling those out, getting those to Magister Cole and myself, Magister Beck. But like I said, one day this week, at least one day this week, um, do it for your mother and tell her how much you love her. Vacuum the house, do dishes, maybe do a little laundry, maybe cook dinner before she gets home from work, something like that. But if you guys have any questions, feel free to email Magister Cole or myself, Magister Beck. Otherwise, we'll see you around the block, kiddos. Hopefully you have a great week, and until next time.